All right, so to keep my blonde thin limp hair looking as good as I can, I like to use a detoxifying shampoo about every 3 washes. I always follow it up with a purple either mask or shampoo conditioner set to keep the blonde looking as bright and non-brassy as I can. Lately, I've been enjoying the Oribe Cleanse Clarifying Shampoo. It comes out as a black mousse, but it lathers superbly, and I feel really strips my hair of all that buildup of product that tends to accumulate after a couple days of styling. Then I follow it up with my purple shampoo or mask, as I said. Today I used the Olaplex number 4P Blonde Enhancing Toning Shampoo. It is a very strong purple toning shampoo, so you do want to be a bit careful of that purple, but I really feel it works super well to maintain my blonde hair. Then, because toning shampoos or masks of any type tend to be a bit drying, I always want to make sure I follow it up with a good conditioner. I have been loving the Oribe Resilience line. Today I used the Oribe Hair Alchemy Resilience Conditioner, scent coordinated with the cleanse shampoo that I used, and as you can see, I use it quite often. Considering I don't wash my hair every day, that really says something. Also, if I showed you how many shampoos and conditioners I have in my shower at one time, it also would say an enormous amount. After I shower, I spray in my conditioning detangling mist. Today I used my BB Hairdresser's Heat UV Protectant Primer Invisible Oil. It really helps as a good detangler. Then I brush it out using my detangling brush and then wrap my hair in my hair turban to dry it, preventing as much breakage and damage as I can. And lately I've been cocktailing these 3 products together. I do 1 pump of the Kerastase Blonde Absolute, the same amount of the Oribe Hair Alchemy, and then I cocktail in the Oribe Feather Balm Weightless Styler. So I do 1 pump, about that much. Follow it up with about the same in the Hair Alchemy, and then just a little bit of the Feather Balm. So then I have my mixture, cocktail it all together, and then I run it through my hair from roots to ends. I really feel that this is giving my hair shine, resilience, strength, and protecting my blonde hair. Blonde hair tends to be a bit more fragile, so you want to make sure that you're giving it any sort of protection that you can. This mix really smells incredible.